Yeah, let's start with IELTS Speaking Part 2. And your topic is describe your favorite food at a traditional festival or a special event in your country.
So the topic is about my favorite traditional food
Exactly.
and related to a traditional festival.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So my favorite
Yeah.
food is kheer, which we normally make on Eids that comes after the month of Ramzan. It normally made up of milk, rice, dry fruits, and sugar. It it color ranges from pure white to pale white because of how local made accordingly. You can say if I talk about the similarity, it is similar to the puddings, but it is more textured due to rice and the dry fruits. Its texture is mostly pokey, but in a softer side, you can say that, because of it is semi-liquid kind of. You can eat with a spoon. So these days, people make combinations with the food. Normally, it is served cold mostly. So people put ice cream in it with different flavors. I prefer mostly gulab jamun in it. So cold kheer with the cold gulab jamuns. We can add this. This combination is for me is lethal. You can say it. So mostly people enjoy these kind of desserts or sweets on celebrations mostly, and it give a touch of a sugary touch to the event. You can say this, and you mostly people serve when you go to someone's house on the events or celebration, and you cannot resist. It's a traditional thing. You cannot resist
All
it.
right, thank you so much. You have spoken for 1 minute 43 seconds. But one of the points you dragged so much, like it sounded like it was a sort of cooking program and you were explaining how to do this and that. Your main topic is describe your favorite food at a traditional festival. So you need to connect food with festival. If you only explain how to make that food, how to serve it, how you like it, and you don't talk about festival, it means you are off the topic. And
Okay.
second thing is you need to speak more actively, energetically, with expressions, right? This is what we call intonation, and intonation is one of the components of pronunciation.
Okay.
So you need to take care of all these things. The way you have performed, if examiner is strict, may give you 6 band only, and if the examiner is generous, you may get 6.5 for that, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you.